Hello to everyone. I decided to come in front of the camera to say thank you very much for all my subscribers and to tell you guys the reason why I opened the YouTube channel. So I have two reasons. The first one, I want to teach the young peoples. Actually, they have to learn from my videos and try to attract them more on this kind of business. And the second one, it's because I'm the owner operator from last year, from June, and I try to expose a little bit my business. Today, I want to show you guys my son. He's on the machine. He have like 8-9 hours, and you can see he already start to moving nice between the cones and try to keep the bucket above the ground. I think for a guy for 8 hours on the machine, he did pretty good, because this machine is different than truck machine. It's a lot of bouncing, and you have to feel and get the control for the levers. So I'm impressed. I think he did very well for 8 hours. The purpose of this exercise is to try and teach him something that was taught to me when I first started out, and that is the more moves you can do at the one time, the better the operator. This exercise maybe seems simple, but it's already using 3 moves at a time: forwards and backwards, left and right, and opening and closing the bucket, while at the same time keep in mind the cones and the bucket's elevation to not hit the ground. Right now, he's practicing pulling back and forwards, keeping as close to the cones as he can and holding a steady elevation. This is closer to what you may have to do on the job, grading around obstacles. The last exercise I have him doing today is to have him imagine he's loading up a bucket and dumping in the blue bin. As I said before, the more moves at the time, the better the operator. You can see his movements are stiff and he needs to stop and think between each moves. With practice, this needs to become one smooth movement, how I am doing here in this video from a while ago. At the end of the day, as a bit of a bonus, I taught him how to reposition his wheels by lifting up the front end and swinging the boom. This can be useful in tight spaces or if you need to cross a gap. That's all for today, guys. Thanks again for watching. I hope I was clear enough since English isn't my first language. I want to do more of this type of videos, maybe with some more specific tutorials. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and I will see you in the next video.